Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to use HTML comments. What are HTML comments? HTML comments are used to describe and also to debug your code. By debug, I mean troubleshoot. So if there's something wrong with your code, you can use HTML comments to try and find out where the problem is. HTML comments are ignored by the web browser when the web page loads. Let's take a look at the syntax. Syntax basically refers to how something is done. So this is how you would add a comment to an HTML document. So you start with the less than sign, the exclamation mark, 2 dashes, then the text you want to add to the comment, and then 2 dashes, and then the greater than sign. So let me show you some comments that I have added to a document. This is a document we've been working on the course. So I've already inserted some comments. You can see here, I've added a comment here. So you do the less than sign, exclamation, 2 dashes, and then the text you want to add. And you do 2 dashes and then the greater than sign. It's very important that you end the comment properly. If not, it will comment out your entire code and nothing will get displayed on the page. So you can see here, this just describes what this is. It says the content inside the head element is not displayed by the browser. So comments are useful because you can describe various parts of your code to yourself and to others who may want to look at your code. When you write code that you don't describe, you may know what you're doing at that time, but maybe several months or even years down the line, you come back to that code, you may have forgotten what certain aspects of the code does. So comment is useful in describing your code. Where you place comments is also important. You can see here I've placed it next to the actual tag so it doesn't affect what's displayed. You can also place it on a separate line by itself. You can see here I've placed a comment here on the side, and I've placed it here on a separate line by itself. You can see the comments have not displayed on the page because they are ignored when the web browser loads. You can see here I've added several comments here. These are all comments and they are all ignored by the web browser. These are all single line comments. You can also add comments that will affect multiple lines of code. For example, here I can shift this here, this ending comment. If I want it to affect all this code, I just come here and that will comment out all this. You can see the content has disappeared because I've commented out the entire one. So this is how you would comment out multiple lines of code if you wish to do so. So I'm just going to insert that comment back. So that's how you add multiple line comments and also single line comments. You can also use comments for debugging or troubleshooting. Say for example, if certain parts of your code is not appearing properly or not displaying properly, you can just comment out different parts of the code at a time and just test different aspects and try to find out where the problem lies. So they are useful both as a descriptive method to describe your code and also for troubleshooting purposes. So that's it for this video on HTML comments. Many thanks for watching and bye for now.